Assalamu alaikum. Lesson 34. Seerah is complete and perfect. Every aspect of the life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is preserved, complete and perfect. From waking up, washing, eating, drinking, sitting, sleeping, wearing clothes, walking, laughing, crying, talking, meeting people, traveling, living with family, children and friends, his worship, his conduct during peace and war, and so on. Everything is recorded. The Prophet himself had instructed his companions to report every moment and situation of his life. Only someone who is flawless can give such a command. In history, no other person's life is as well documented, not even 10% compared to his records. Billions have been following him for the last 1400 years. His life is the best and perfect example for all humans. By following him, everyone can improve his body, soul, actions, words, manners, and his whole life.